Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies, and I'm here to show you some tags that I've been making for my floral journal. So this is kind of like a project share. I was making floral tags that I watched a tutorial from Diane from Shawcraft One, and it sparked so many ideas for me. I did another video showing you what I made that was from the tags that she used. She used these tags. So in that earlier video, I made some tags from this book. I'll link that video below. But after I finished that, I just kept on going. I have a lot of these types. I have this book that has lots of cards like this. So I cut out some of these, and then I had lots of pages from a book. Like, it's more like photographs, not drawings. So I made some envelopes out of those, and just different gardening books. This is a gardening book, and this is another gardening book. So I just kind of wanted to show you all the tags that I was able to make out of that, and some of these envelopes. So let's start with this one. I took a page from a book, turned it into an envelope with my envelope punch, and then on the front of it, I just put this little piece of lace. This, it's an ad from an old magazine from the 60s. Cut it, backed it, put it on here, and then I put this little piece of trim. Thought it turned out super cute. I like mixing the photographs with the more like drawings or illustrations. And then I made this one, put an applique on a drawing. It's an illustration of some flowers. Then I made this one. Again, I just put an applique on this, I guess it's a card that I cut out of a gardening book. Put some lace on top of this. Turned this into an envelope. And this is a book from a page from a gardening book, and I put some lace right here. And then this is part of a sheet and some lace, and then I put it on top of a card. Another ad it's a Sunset magazine from the 1960s. Put some trim right there, some lace right there. There's that one. This one. And these little tiny ones, I just put little scraps of lace. This is actually from a shirt. And then there's this tiny one. I love how her face, like just the way this looks, I really liked it. And this one, I thought that was really cute. I used scraps from a map page here, and I just glued the edge of it on the top to peek out from the card. And then I put this lace over the top. I added a button to the back, and then I put another trim right there. Thought it turned out pretty cool. And then this one, again, I used map page, but I put it on the back. And then I used this one. It was an ad from an old magazine. Just added this piece here. It's cut out from a shirt. This is a little scrap, I think from the same shirt. And I put some trim up there. And then this is a photograph. I put this little piece of lace right here and some trim up there. I cut out a strip like this. I think it goes this way. No, this way. Cut out a strip, backed it onto file folder. All these are backed onto file folders. And then I corner punched it and added a little piece of trim right there. Another applique. And then another one of these. And then this one, I used lace and then trim on the top. I thought it turned out really just sweet because of this lace right here. And then this one, this lace right here, I glued it all the way down. And then this one, and I used, this is ribbon. The middle here is stretchy, but I got this from Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance just a couple months ago, so I thought that turned out cool. And then this is a paper pad cutout. Well, it wasn't from a paper pad. It was a single sheet from Joann's, and there were a whole bunch of tags of these floral tags. I put some lace in the back, and then I glued some trim on there. Same idea on this one. I put the lace in the back, and then I glued some trim on there. And this is the same idea. And then this one, I just stapled the lace onto the top. So I'm working on a botanical journal right now, or a floral journal, and I'm going to be using all these tags in there. So, and I think this is what takes me the longest, because I want my journals to be really detailed and eclectic. So hopefully this is going to add a nice touch to the journal. Let me know what kinds of tags you enjoy making, and if it takes you a long time. I feel like this part, the embellishing part, takes me a really long time to do. But let me know what your process is. Does it take you a long time? And what you enjoy doing when you embellish your tags. All right, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.